Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop seeing TikTok videos you are not interested in. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and log in your account. And now just want to scroll on your For You page until you see the video that you're not interested in. So for example, this video. So I just want you to do is to long press on that video until this window popped up. So now just go ahead and click on this broken heart icon that says not interested. So just go ahead and click on that. So here, as you can see at the lower part of my screen, that it says that will show fewer videos like this. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.